Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view your free space for your system or your your little SD card that you have plugged in on your Nintendo Switch, just to see how much free space there is. So to do this, we want to go to System Settings on the bottom, then scroll on down to Data Management, and go on over to the right, and then right on the top you can see System Memory. My free space is 2.8 gigabytes. Then for micro SD card, my free space is 16.3 gigabytes. We can go on down to Manage Software right here, select this, and we can see how big the files are for each game. So Rocket League takes up 30 gigabytes, so I can pretty much only have one game on my Switch here for my internal memory, and same thing for my SD card. So I might actually delete that at some point, or just go to the store and get a bigger SD card. It's only like 20 bucks for a large one, so I should probably invest in that. And then we can see all the different games if we continue scrolling down. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.